Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything.
Alright, it is Shady Friday, and we are getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. There will be a playlist below. You should go check out all of the other beautiful ladies. This week was Fash Fab Beauty's choice, and her colors were black, red, and silver. Alright, so for the black, red, and silver, kind of my go-to, we have the Blood Moon palette from Zeesea Cosmetics. I used the Eclipse shade here, the Penumbra shade here. I used the Obscure shade here, and then the Transcendence shade here. I used Dark Side, which is black and red shifting, from Copacetic Cosmetics. From JD Glow, I used Ruby, and it is from their Metallion collection. And then from the Conspiracy palette, I used the shade Diet Cola. And I have swatched these. So this is the Eclipse shade. And the Eclipse shade I took on the outer corner and I ran it across my crease. This is the Obscure shade. And I took that and I blended that out with that shade. And then this is the Penumbra shade, which I then blended that out further. I took the black Eclipse shade and ran it tight up in by my lash line. I can speak. Not today. But, you know, maybe tomorrow. And then I took the Penumbra shade and kind of smoked that out, or blended it out a little bit. And then the Transcendence shade from the Blood Moon palette I took on the inner corner and ran it around the inner part of my lower lash line. This is the Dark Side shade. You see it looks black and it shifts to red. And I put that right out here on my outer corner of my lower lid, or of my mobile lid. And then this is the Ruby shade, and I figured that was the shift of the Dark Side was just a little bit darker than the Ruby shade, so that the Ruby shade, when it was shifty, it would kind of blend into that a little bit better. Things aren't really going well for me this morning. But I put that right in the middle. And then on the, like I said, on the inner part of my lid, I put this Transcendence shade. And then on a very inner corner, I took the Diet Root Beer shade to brighten that up a little bit, because the Transcendence shade in the Blood Moon palette is a bit dark. It's more of a dark silver than maybe like almost a gunmetal. But that is the look I came up with. Now to keep the red theme going, I used Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star. And I did use the red blush out of the Yes Girl palette. Now, I ran out of makeup wipes, so I gotta figure out how to get this off my hands. And as we can see, my fingers are a little bit stained already, and I have washed this hand three times since swatching, so this is going to be fun. Baby wipes don't quite do it for this palette. It is very pigmented, and it does stain, which kind of makes me nervous because I have to go to a conference later on today, and I wasn't really planning on wearing the look. But I might not have a choice. So we might be going goth to the conference today. Alright, so that is it for my Shady Friday look. Like I said, there's a playlist below. Go ahead and go down and check out the playlist. Go send the other ladies some love. If you are new to their channel, tell them I sent you. Say hi. If you are new to my channel from their channel, welcome to the madness. We mostly like it here. Today. Tomorrow we might love it. Or it might be one of those days. We don't know. But it is madness over here. And welcome. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.